In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trust Wallet app on Android. We will go from finding the app to opening it for the first time, so just follow along with your phone in hand. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You will usually see the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer with a multicolored triangle logo. Once you tap it, the main Play Store screen appears, with a search bar across the top and different app suggestions below, which tells you that you are in the right place to start. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and type Trust::Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. As you type, Play Store may suggest similar names, but keep typing until you see the full app name appear in the list. When you spot Trust::Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet in the suggestions, tap that result so you go straight to the app page rather than a long list of unrelated apps. On the app page, check that the developer is dApps Platform Inc. You will see the developer name right under the app title, usually in smaller text. This detail matters because many wallet apps have similar icons and names, and checking the developer helps you avoid installing an imitation app. If the name does not match exactly, go back and make sure you tap the correct search result. With the correct app open and the developer confirmed, tap the Install button. It sits near the top of the screen, usually in green. Once you tap Install, the button changes to show a progress indicator. This tells you that the download has started and the Play Store is now pulling the official Trust Wallet app onto your phone. After that, wait for the installation to finish. You will see a circular progress bar or a percentage that slowly moves toward 100%. On a fast connection, this might only take a few seconds. On a slower one, it can take a bit longer. So just let it complete without closing the Play Store. When the app is fully installed, the Install button changes to an Open button, which confirms the installation is done. Next up, tap Open. This launches Trust Wallet directly from the Play Store for the first time, without needing to look for the icon on your home screen yet. You should now see the Trust Wallet welcome screen with the logo and some brief text about the wallet. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. The app will guide you through creating a new wallet or accessing an existing one, step by step. Take your time reading each instruction, since wallet setup controls how you access your crypto later. Most changes you make here apply immediately, without any separate save button, so double-check each choice before you move on. You have now downloaded Trust Wallet on your Android phone and opened it ready for setup. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple wallet guides.